Okay, I will explain the classification and morphology of Neorhynchus. The classification of Neorhynchus is from kingdom Animalia, phylum Acanthocephala, class Eoacanthocephala, ordo Neoenchironychidae, family Neoenchironychidae, and genus Neorhynchus. The morphology of Neorhynchus is body markedly flat, with carapace round, longer as wide, decently narrowing anteriorly, carapace resting on setting gutter. Carapace dorsal surface covered with fine granulation and some occasional large one with shallow groove, rostrum simple, short as narrow triangle. Preorbital tube absent, postorbital tooth large, carving around eye, forming postocular cup or supraocular eve, with accommodating and stalk in resting position. Ehlers flattened with antenna basal article adjacent to urinary article, long with two teeth on inner margin, outer angle, conspicuously projecting dorsally by long, narrow tooth, antenna movable portion entirely visible in dorsal view at side of rostrum. Proepistome laterally compressed, forming slightly recessed septum not joining rudimentary epistome. Branchial stick very reduced, branchial chamber reduced to narrow space due to flattening of body, probably not functional posteriorly, without gills at level of last peripods. Ischium narrow, crista dentata formed by triangular teeth. Merus narrow at base, then strongly cordiform. Cox short, prolonged by distal lobe to embayment.
Life cycle of Neocynorhynchus. A. Adult parasite inside the tooth of the tambaqui. B. Free egg in the gut of the fish. C. Eggs exploded to the water with the fish feces. D. Acanthor hatching in the gut of the ostracod. A to M. Young Acanthella. N. Male Acanthel. O. Cystacan infective stick. P. Ostracod inside the gut of the tambaqui. Q. Juvenile leaving the ostracod. R. Embutnerae in the gut of the tambaqui. S. Tambaqui Colosoma macropomum.
According to Amin 2016, the house of Neorhynchus itself is freshwater fish, or what is called freshwater fish. Most of the Neorhynchus house are freshwater worms. The house of Neorhynchus is from the Acanthocephalan species that have been found in the Gulf of Mexico. This Acanthocephalan species entered the intestines of Neorhynchus.
Next, I will explain about classification and morphology of Heterocentis. Heterocentis classified from kingdom Animalia, phylum Acanthocephala, class Palaeoxanthophala, ordo Echinorinchidae, family Arithmacanthidae, genus Heterocentis. The morphology of Heterocentis has an anterior part of a worm showing the proboscis, the spineless anterior trunk cone, and the anterior part of the spiny trunk. A longitudinal galium cut section of the anterior hook. Note the thickness of the hook layers and the relation between the hook and the size and shape of the root. Posterior hook of the proboscis. A general view of trunk spine and their pattern of distribution. A high magnification of typical duckbill shaped trunk spine showing a continuation of trunk microscope.
Life cycle of Heterocentis. The life cycle begins with mating between a male and female. which produce egg, and then the mature egg are oval, separate, or fibular mantle, and then become larvae and have two hosts in their life cycle. Heteroscientists found crustaceans as intermediate hosts, then furthermore found Bulbosoma sp as definitive hosts. Heterocentric is generally found in fish that live on the seabed, but absent in pelagic fish. Several definitive hosts literature study found specimens of striped elk catfish.
Host and predilection heteroscientist. Heteroscientist is a description as an intestinal parasite in Basilochitis microlepidotus from Chile. Other than that, the parasite infects Pseudopersis semifasciata fish in Argentina. Heteroscientist parasite predilection is a digestive tract organ in fish, especially the intestinal organ.